Then how to clean my oven, because this kind of oven is different with other oven what we have before. Oh, many oil. So before I will cook, I will clean first here with liquid soap. I will clean first like that. This is how I will use the I will clean my oven. This kind of oven is very sensitive. You must really carefully that is not scratch. Not like before that you only clean and then after is no problem. And then sandali. Wait. And then I use this for dry. That. For dry. I use then here I will use this stand glass ceramic Cookfield Reiniger. You still see that this white still need to clean that with this one, and use this towel cloth, soft cloth, para to avoid scratch. And then dali put into that. This kind of oven is really what is that, sensitive. That. And then here like that, to be shiny. That because if it is scratch, that's very hard, and it is not good for your oven. So you must make so that the oil or anything what is still into, and that here. And then this we have two cuts, and the other one cut, one to go here, and then that is one, because it is hard. If it is, they will scratch this because it's not good here. So yun. That need really to go away that before. Clean. This is really good for this oven, because this kind of oven is really different with normally oven. So here you see. So no more na. So that one now before is no more anymore. No more anymore. Okay. And then this we did this is made of ceramic too. And then to cover this oven here, because for safety of your oven, for safety if cat will go into. And then okay, no more na. Oh, that is that what before, but it's already here. Okay, so that it's all. Yan. Oh. Okay, now ang result after